Hey everyone, here I will show you how to buy Namecheap hosting with cPanel access. This quick guide will walk you through the entire process, from choosing the right plan to logging into your cPanel for the first time. First, visit Namecheap.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up on the top right. Fill in your details and create your account. Once logged in, you'll need a domain name to use with your hosting. If you don't already have a domain, you can search and register one directly on Namecheap. Simply type your desired domain in the search bar, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Now, to purchase hosting, hover over Hosting in the top menu and select the type you want. For cPanel access, you can go with shared hosting or reseller hosting, as these plans include cPanel by default. Namecheap offers options like Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. The Stellar plan is great for beginners, while Stellar Plus and Business offer more storage and features. Click Get Started under your preferred plan. On the next screen, select whether you want to use your newly registered domain, an existing domain from another registrar, or purchase a new one. If your domain is registered at Namecheap, it will be automatically linked. Add the hosting plan to your cart. Choose the billing cycle, monthly, yearly, or multi-year for extra savings, and complete the payment process. Once your order is confirmed, you'll receive an email with your cPanel login credentials. You can also access cPanel directly from your Namecheap dashboard by going to Hosting List, clicking Manage next to your plan, and selecting Go to cPanel. From there, you can upload your website files, install WordPress, set up email accounts, and manage databases, all from one control panel. That's it. You now have Namecheap hosting with cPanel ready to use.